Nation, nationwide is on your side. Look at this. Yeah, so we're stuck in the snow with all the rest of the big rigs. And it's like 5 degrees, something like that, or 10. So we went about 30 miles, and it took us an hour, so we decided to pull over because the highway is closed, as you can see, you know. But it's crazy. Y'all check it out. Look how deep that foot in that bad boy is. See that? Oh, my foot almost all the way in there, bruh. But anyway, y'all, it's another day in trucking. As you can see, Tiny in the truck right now. In that heat, I decided to get out. I guess play in the snow a little bit. Even though I hate the snow, knowing I'm a Cali boy, you know, you heard? But yeah, it's freezing out here. Man, it's icy. Hope I don't bust my ass going back. Yeah, y'all can't see nothing though, y'all. Man, it's crazy. I threw the drone in the air. So, he got a little short video coming. Look how slow he going. He probably gonna try to come over here. That truck got right there. He going slow, so he won't be slipping and sliding. Yeah, so we shut it down. We done for the night with the rest of the truckers here at the shell. Yeah, he probably about to come in here though. Parking in here, like that guy over there probably got one of the last spots, and that's not even the spot. So yeah, I'll check him out. I'm gonna go check out Tiny in a minute. Get out this snow because it's icy. It's cold. Yeah, but it's another day on the trucking. We live in Dallas and we headed to Chicago to Cali, Cali to Milwaukee, back to Dallas, our normal route. We run that once a week. It's about 6,000 miles a week between the both of us. But yeah, he coming on in, so I'll let y'all see him. See if he slip and slide. Let me get out his way though. As you can see, We're sitting at the truck and it's warm. We'll turn it upside down. Yeah. It's another day in the trucking club, y'all. This type of stuff you gotta deal with. You know, I should have stayed at home. I stayed at home a whole week, so it just didn't make no sense. I should have stayed at home one more day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he had to come shut it down too, so, cause I know he's slipping and sliding, y'all. You don't want to deal with that out here. You don't be slipping and sliding. You just pull it on over. But anyway, y'all, get back to y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Tiny and Tall Show is cooking. Let's cook. It's over, y'all. Ain't nothing out here for y'all. Ain't no spots here, my boy. Y'all done. My boy over here got one. He trying to make himself a spot. He gonna mess around and get stuck over there in that depot snow. Like, you can see from the street, there ain't no spots, my boy. RV got that last one over there. Well, he probably gonna be parked on the street. This boy right here, I don't know. Hope they don't get stuck in front of us. RV done got the last spot. It's crazy. Go ahead, shut it down, y'all. It's over for the night. Huh, Tiny? What you doing back there? Relaxing? Oh, I think we're done. How many videos did I have to upload? Was it 8? Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I got some drone footage. Let's cook. Back at it, y'all. Buddy over there still trying. Let me zoom in. This one got 2 mega zoom running DJI. I guess everybody getting their little spots together. He got him a spot. He got a spot. Yeah, see that? You know it's real. Windshield wipers is frozen. Anyway, y'all, it's another day at the Trucker Club with the Tiny and Tall Show. Y'all know we ain't pulled the camera out for no big rigs up for the minute. It's been all about house hunting and cars, whatever else I'm doing if I ever pick up the camera. Let's cook.